How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 67 Chevelle Malibu. This car's had a body off restoration on it. It's painted a super slick laser blue, and I tell you what, super flat paint, straight as an arrow down the sides. Just a super nice car. Car does retain all its original body panels other than the hood, and it is a steel cowl hood on it. Tough looking car. This has got aluminum headed 468 under the hood. So all the bumpers and stuff on this car all been redone. Very nice car. It's got the welds on it, BF Goodrich all the way around. Got 3-inch mandrel bent Flowmaster exhaust all the way out the back. Stock location. It's all the chrome, bumpers really nice. All the panel fitment super nice. And I'll tell you, this laser blue on this car is just tough looking. Super nice car, guys. You see that 3-inch exhaust sticking down there? It's got the wheel wood disc brakes up front. The drilled slotted rotors. They painted all the inner fender wells, the firewalls all painted, the bottom of the hood's painted really nice. All body color. Used a lot of chrome bolts on the fenders and hood. Again, it's got a 468. Aluminum heads. It's got your serpentine March front drive pulley kit on it. Aluminum radiator. Set of Hooker Super Comp ceramic coated headers. See how nice and clean the doors are. It's got new door panels in it. Dash all looks real nice. It's got your tach with your shift light. It's got a 400 turbo trans. Headliner all looks real good. Back seats real nice. It's got the factory buckets up front, but they did do a custom center console. Tell you what, guys, the paint work on this car is just show quality. Trunk's all nice and solid in the car. It is the original trunk floor. Tell you, it's just a super cool car, and it pounds the ground, guys. Gentleman we got the car from said the motor makes approximately 450 horse on pump gas. See a nice center console, got your trio of gauges in it. Got your M Pro-Ratchet shifter. Dash trim all looks real nice. Just a super nice car, guys. And I tell you, it's getting hard to find these cars that are Nice clean bodies. They haven't been all patched together. It's got forged pistons in it and the aluminum intake, the Holley, got a K&N breather on it. I tell you, I really like the sheet aluminum valve covers. Thing's just good sounding motor. Now the wiper motor quit working. We have a wiper motor on order, so we'll get that taken care of. Just hear this thing pound the ground, guys. Wicked, wicked sounding car. Tell you, it's a good looking car, guys, and it just pounds the ground. Got 12-bolt posi in it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.